Welcome guys. In this video, we will gonna talk about what are hyperparameters. So you might have seen when you initialize different set of layers in machine learning or deep learning, like in convolutional layer, you have to specify in channels parameters. Similarly to this, when you initialize dropout layer, you have to specify p-value, which is a probability of dropout. So these parameters are basically hyperparameters. So these hyperparameters are basically controls or influence the whole learning process. You might have heard of weights. Weights are also called parameters in deep learning, but they are learned parameters. They learn during the whole learning process, while hyperparameters don't learn. They are constant and they are set manually during the initialization. Most of the time, we don't know the optimal value of hyperparameters as they are constant and we initialize during the initialization of the layer. So we don't know what the correct value of the hyperparameter going to be where the model generalizes well. That's why we train the model multiple times to get the optimal value of the hyperparameter. And in the last, as hyperparameters influence the learning process, they also influence the learned weights. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you understood the hyperparameter. If you want to watch similar video like this, subscribe the channel, like this video, and I'll meet you next time.